Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Oh no, where's my wallet? I must have left it inside.
Did you lose something? You look worried.
Yeah, my wallet. I think I left it in the coffee shop. I hope it's still there. My ID and cards are in it.
We'll find it. Let's check with the staff.
There it is. Thank goodness.
Glad you found it. Anything missing?
Everything seems intact. Thank you so much for helping me. I can't thank you enough for your help. I was panicking.
No problem. Just happy you found it.
You know what? I'm going to pay this kindness forward today.
That's the spirit. Small acts can make a big difference.
I'd love to buy you a coffee or something to repay your kindness.
Sure, let's make it a coffee date sometime.
Mind if I sit here? I've been eyeing that book for weeks.
Oh, sure. It's a great one. What brings you to the library?
I practically live here. Books are my escape.
Same here. It's like entering different worlds without leaving the chair.
Have you read anything by Murakami?
Absolutely. Norwegian Wood is one of my favorites.
That plot twist caught me off guard too. What do you think will happen next?
I have a theory. Let's see if I'm right.
You're not going to believe what happens next.
Let's grab coffee and dive into the next chapter.
Hemingway or Fitzgerald?
Tough choice. Hemingway's simplicity speaks to me, but Fitzgerald's lyricism is captivating.
You two seem to share similar tastes. Try this one, it's a hidden gem.
Maybe we can start a little book club of our own.
I'd love that. Let the literary adventures continue.